Chako kama udoni machone ni jauri Bura nendo mararia dama nendo Raphael Tuju koro Bura mabende tude kanye ndo kora riambo ni neondi kata ne obedo abducted koro bro dio nyime kata obedo ni onge nyimdo odio chini di makawuono nyimdo nendo makibra ka okando kuom jang'ad bura Stella Atambo ne oyango ni bura machalo kama nendo edwa mana dio nyime mak mana ni koro golo chika mar mondo mi neni apisas mabende rito Tuju kama ne entiere od thieth nogo makarena koro gie kinde ni endi owuok kalore koda ng'eto manyogoli koda down endo mamalo kata high court bende ogolo chik mar mondo mi oneni Raphael Tuju yudo thieth nogo makare ke kinde ni endi mabura makamano dhi nyime.
Let me say the two thorny issues, the clarification on the point of the bill that is in place right now, the cash bill, and also the aspect of time to come back to court, the next court appearance. So I have considered and taken into account the concern raised by the prosecution on the anticipatory bail granted by the High Court and the response by the defense to the same. And I will not go into detail on that subject, on the merits and or demerits of the anticipatory bail in place, because these were orders that were granted by my senior, that is a judge of the High Court. I will not get into the merits or demerits, but all of us as advocates understand what anticipatory bail stands for. As at yesterday, the record before this court reflects that the accused, the subject, was under arrest and in the custody of the police. That is knowledge that is within this court's purview. And remember, this court has not had the benefit of seeing the application that was made for that anticipatory bail and what was explained therein. So I will limit myself at my level to that point, but this record reflects that the accused person, the subject, as at yesterday, the 24th of March, 2026, was in the custody of the police. Now,